Welcome back, cyber enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of WallX Everything. Today, I'm diving into the world of cybersecurity with a thrilling topic, which is CTF Showdown. What is a CTF, you ask? Well, stick around, because I'm about to break it down for you. You've probably heard the term CTF before, but if you're not quite sure what it means, don't worry. I'm here to clear up the confusion. So, what does CTF stand for? CTF stands for Capture the Flag. But, in the world of cybersecurity, it's not about running around with flags in a park, it's all about hacking, defending, and solving puzzles in a virtual environment. In a CTF competition, participants, or players, they are tasked with finding and exploiting vulnerabilities in computer systems and applications. The ultimate goal? Capture the flags hidden within these systems. These flags are usually strings of text or files that prove the hacker's success. CTFs offer a wide variety of challenges, ranging from web exploitation, binary exploitation, cryptography, reverse engineering, and more. Each challenge tests different cybersecurity skills, making CTFs a fantastic training ground for aspiring ethical hackers and security professionals. Some CTFs are team-based, where participants collaborate to tackle challenges. Others are solo endeavors, where it's just you against the virtual world. Whether you prefer teamwork or going solo, there's a CTF for everyone. You might be wondering, why should I care about CTFs? Well, these competitions play a crucial role in enhancing cybersecurity skills. They help identify vulnerabilities in systems before malicious hackers can exploit them, making the digital world safer for all of us. Now that you know the basics, let's talk about the CTF Showdown. The ultimate CTF competition. It's where the best of the best come to test their skills and prove their mettle. The challenges are fierce, the competition is intense, and the rewards are sweet. If you're itching to get started in the world of CTFs, start by learning the basics of programming, networking, and cybersecurity. Then, join online platforms, such as CTF Time, to find upcoming competitions and teams to join. And there you have it, folks. CTFs are not just thrilling competitions. They're vital for strengthening our cybersecurity defenses. So, whether you're a seasoned hacker or just getting started, CTF Showdowns are an exhilarating journey worth embarking on. If you found this video informative and exciting, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What would you like to see next on WallX Everything? Let me know.